If you love creamy pasta, you're going to love this recipe. Today, I'm making a delicious restaurant-style Cajun chicken pasta with tender chicken and a rich, creamy sauce. Let's get cooking. Now preparing the chicken. Using a sharp knife, make a few shallow cuts across the chicken breast. This helps the seasoning absorb better and keeps the chicken juicy and full of flavor. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. Then, generously coat the chicken with the seasoning mixture, making sure it gets into all the cuts. Let the chicken marinate for a few minutes while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Heat a pan over medium heat and place the seasoned chicken into the pan. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and fully cooked through. Avoid flipping the chicken too often, as this helps create a delicious golden crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Once the chicken has rested for a few minutes, slice it into thin, even strips. Now it's ready to be served with our creamy Cajun pasta. Then, finely chop the garlic cloves. Next, finely dice the onion and set it aside for the sauce. Now it's time to make our creamy Cajun sauce. Start by melting the butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add the chopped garlic and diced onion. Sauté them for a few minutes until they're soft, fragrant, and lightly golden. Next, pour in the cooking cream, followed by the milk. Stir everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. Now it's time to season the sauce. Add the Cajun seasoning, paprika, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well, allowing the spices to blend into the creamy sauce. Let it simmer gently for a couple of minutes to develop a rich and delicious flavor. Once the sauce is smooth and fragrant, add the grated Parmesan cheese. Stir continuously until the cheese has completely melted, creating a thick, creamy, and silky sauce. Finally, add the cooked penne pasta and gently toss it in the sauce until every piece is evenly coated. Keep mixing for a minute, allowing the pasta to absorb all the rich, creamy flavors. And here it is, our restaurant-style creamy Cajun chicken pasta, ready to serve. Rich, creamy, and packed with bold Cajun flavor, this dish is perfect for a quick lunch, a family dinner, or whenever you're craving something truly delicious. Give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you'd like to see more delicious recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Chef Savindu YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.